Sales order. Just try to give your this customer. It's not okay. So let us search if any other customers are there. Let's select. We will try to see if any customer is there and these things are coming. Just see from let's type A.
Pro Breads will see this one.
You can directly go and search there itself. Close this. If anything, the values is coming, then that is fine. Right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
shiftability
just
will create automatic. Oh, not it come.
it is not there. Okay. Just select any other thing. Pinchang or something.
Hala, same thing, I think.
Okay. Select second one. Yeah, we got this one. Okay. ABC application. Okay. Go to items.
This recording, right? Or
Yeah. Enter your order. This one.
wave one.
Just give no, just give 5 quantity, no problem.
Yeah.
No, just give three quantity, 3. Yeah, again enter the second line item.
Invalid or does not exist warehouse you specified.
You have to give W1, no? Go to the shipping tab. You have to give
Yeah.
W1 in others tab actually. Yeah.
Other
Add one
tab
more.
also.
Add one more line. Add one more line.
Okay, no, we give that other tab also, right? It will allow. WMS
R. Just give 3 quantity here also. Go to shipping tab. No, that's fine. Go to shipping tab. Save it. Okay. Yeah, book it. No problem.
Schedule ship date not generated. Okay, I will book this one.
Okay, 66481 is your one order. Note it on a notepad.
648 order is booked. Okay.
66481. Okay, 66481 is one order with 3 quantities. Okay. Again, copy the same order. Copy. Yes. Okay. Display order. 66482.
482. Okay.
Yeah. Get 482. 66482.
And book the order.
No. That is wrong.
Oh,
Yeah.
actually, correct. Only 2 quantities remaining, right? I think.
Correct. We can't continue. Yeah. We can't continue and go and modify that. Yeah. Go to line items.
Have only 2 quantity. That's why that is issue. Okay.
Yeah. Just provide like.
Yeah, sale. Okay, book.
Right?
Yeah, book. 664.
6648. So
Yeah.
now this is our customer. Yeah, close this. 6648. Okay. Now let's go to our wave planning.
Wave, create wave planning. What is there?
Create wave.
WMS, right? Yeah.
No, next one. 85 is our number.
Yes.
Come here.
Huh.
Just come here. Yeah, let's go to the advanced criteria.
Okay.
Just give 10 number. Yeah. Sales order. Object, like you can type sales order. We are going to deal with sales order, and just click on the parameters, no problem. Yeah.
Order
Here
number.
we are going based on no.
Oh,
Based on customer, right? Click on
okay.
customer. Okay. Just give equal to. Okay.
Value
ABC,
not
right?
required.
ABC. Type there. ABC.
ABC not there here.
Did you noted the customer name?
Customer
Jairam, you haven't noted the customer name. Huh?
will go customer name. Wait. No, ABC, right? ABC application software.
Just save it and let's go and see it. Okay. Once again,
No,
just
ABC, this one only.
yeah. Just go and see it. Close this and go and search on the order. Go to
Hey, here. Oh, there also will go, right? Warehouse management also. Sorry.
outbound logistics under outbound. You
Got
have to make use of most of the screen. 66482. Whatever the order is there, just search that. Click on find. Just copy
ABC
that.
application software only. Yeah.
Open it, no problem. Open it. Copy that customer and the customer number also. Give hyphen and right. Okay, so now wave planning we are doing based upon the customer. Okay, go to
Yes.
warehouse. Okay, go to the wave planning. Yeah. Just go to the, you have given your advanced criteria. Just go and see whether this customer is same or not. Just
You copy.
ABC. Just type ABC. You'll get it. ABC. Yeah,
Okay.
right.
Only one is there actually.
Perfect. Just save it. Okay, go to wave options. Go to wave options. So what we are going to do, one second. So here it got all the details. Okay. Like you have to enter your pick slip grouping rule. You have to enter your release sequence rule. What is your staging location? What is your staging locator? Where you want to do it. Okay.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
So you can just click on launch.
Concurrently. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Santosh, your hello.
So this is how your details will be there. Okay. Assigning.
Yeah.
Sorry, you're saying something?
No, your voice is breaking actually.
Okay. Click on launch concurrent.
Launch concurrently, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
See, your wave has been started. See the wave number.
Santosh, your voice is breaking, Santosh. Hello.
Is it not clear?
No, not clear. Breaking actually last 2 minutes.
Is it breaking?
Okay, now. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, now okay.
Okay, that's fine. Go to view first and find.
View request. Okay.
We got our wave number as 86. Okay. Just
85, right? completed. Yeah, 86.
Copy that number. No, copy that wave request name.
Oh, request name means this one, right? You are
No.
uh,
Go to view, request, and find. So you have to understand what is happening. Little slow here. You are in a very hurry, I think.
yeah.
Copy, paste it on notepad. Okay. Just paste it so that you will understand what is happening. So you can just mention hyphen saying like once we launch the plan, just give hyphen launch plan, launch wave. Yeah, launch. Correct.
Yeah.
Perfect. So
Yes. Here also automatically parameter taken automatically, right? 861
you
double.
are going to get the wave number also in the parameter. Okay.
Yes.
So if you want to see the wave now, let's go and see it in the wave dashboard. Close this. Close this.
Yeah.
So here
Next
you will
wave number,
define,
actually our wave number is 85. Now automatically generate 86, right?
no, when you define saved it 85, but when
Yeah.
you run it, it has become 86. So the increment will going to happen. Close this.
Okay.
Okay. Go to wave dashboard. Usually what happens in the sense, you will define it and you will try to execute there itself. When you define it, has given the number. That's the reason. Okay.
Yeah.
Go to find wave. Find wave. Find wave. The second option is there, no? Just enter your number. Find. Click on find. Just select, go to the tree structure, left side on the tree structure. Click on the waves, plus button. Click on the wave. Yeah. If you see here,
Oh.
if you just see here, if you see here, the system is saying like, as of now, the wave is created. During this point, our wave will get created. If you see
Okay.
here, the system is saying like your total value is 150, total number of orders is selected is 2. You're seeing, right? Total
Yeah.
lines selected is 4 because
Total number of orders 2. Correct. Yes.
so it
Yes.
means like this criteria has been matched. So for that customer, this criteria has been matched and the system has suggested only these two sales orders are lying. So this is the beauty of the wave planning. So whatever the criteria you have defined here, that criteria will show here. Like for that specific criteria only, this will be happen. So you can restrict your wave planning to the specific kind of conditions. So this is the in one go you can run multiple orders with the criteria which is defined in your wave template. Okay.
Yeah, that means actually whenever create the customers actually orders, so but under this one condition we can add different customer numbers, right? At the time it will pick automatically wave planning, right?
Correct. So
Yes.
for different customers you can add differently. Like we are giving
Yes.
we are taking an example of only customer.
Got
The
it.
system will allow a lot of things like based on customer, based on order type. There will be a lot of conditions also. The system will help you to make the allocation should be happen.
Yes.
See, why basically we will be using this one is nothing but see some customers will be there, their orders will be all the times it will be high priority orders. Correct.
Yes.
If you try to do this wave planning, right? What many orders like let's say it is easy for also to ship orders, all the orders with respect to one customer in one bucket.
Got it.
Understood, right? Let's suppose that the customer has created all the 10 orders in 1 week. If you are running this wave number and the waving allocation is happened, so it will be easy for you to ship entire orders, those all orders to one customer, right?
Yes. But
So,
only we need to add condition.
we need to add the condition in the wave
Yes.
planning. So that is
Yes.
the option the system is providing you with this WMS
Got it.
by enabling this wave plan. Okay.
Yes.
Just click on the orders. Let us see the orders now. Let's click on the orders button.
Yes. 2 orders. Yes.
2 orders got selected. See, ideally, this graph, okay, the top right, the graph contains no data, right? That ideally has to give you the graph actually. As of now, it is not giving, but ideally it has to give the graph. Okay.
Credit release. Yeah.
Let's go to the lines. See the lines. See
4
this is
lines.
the graph it is showing. So this it is showing that. Just a minute.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Jairam, I'm here.
Yeah.
I got a
Yeah.
call. So
Okay.
this is what it is showing. The progress, right? It is showing a progress, saying like your wave progress is done 100%.
Correct. Yes.
System is saying like 100% we can do that. So 100% you can perform with this one. If let's suppose if any back order is there, if there is any line which doesn't have a quantity, those will also come and show here. And then based upon that, the progress will differ. Like 80% released, ready to release, and 20% is back ordered in that way. Like it will
Yes.
show some color coding kind of thing. Okay,
Yes.
that's
Yes.
fine. So now just scroll down here. No, not there. You have to scroll the screen. Go to the complete right side because the screen is very bigger
Okay.
one. Not here.
Here you
Go
are saying.
right. Not in this one here. Go towards right. Your cursor go to right.
Oh, I'm saying, yeah, right only, right? Okay.
You have to. You are have some options in the bottom, Jairam.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That's what I'm trying.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
So this is the way you can see the options here. It will go down. Okay. So this is how your wave planning is there. Correct.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
How you will create a wave planning. Okay.
Okay.
So
But
if you
here we
want
need
to plan,
here remove lines means we can remove lines also here.
if you want to remove any lines during processing, you can remove it.
But here add lines also is there. Okay.
No, you can add the lines, you can delete the lines, but we are
Okay.
not going to do this.
Okay. Okay.
But it will be a manual kind of option, right? We
Okay.
want
Yeah.
them to perform everything, correct?
Yes. Yes.
So that's the reason.
Okay.
Okay. So now, yeah, you can close this. Go to tasks. We have not generated any tasks, so that's the reason tasks are not showing.
Okay. Shall I
Okay.
close?
Wave attributes. Go to the wave attributes, the first one. See,
First
the
one.
labor statistics is nothing but if you are using the labor management, right? It
Okay.
will come and show.
Okay.
So ideally, if you see under the total number of orders, right, there is something called planned fill rate, release fill date, actual
Yes.
fill date, correct? So
Yes.
as on we try to do the planning, as on we try to do the other things, then these parameters will change. We'll see that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Next, once we are doing it, we have to plan a wave. So let's see how do you plan a wave.
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay.
for that, again, we need to go to the close this.
86 is our
Okay.
new number. Okay.
Your wave number is 86.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Go and search your wave.
Now, shall I close here?
Find. Click on find.
Okay.
Just scroll little down more. Just scroll little down. Yeah, correct. Because the screen size is very big. See, this is what the point I am just trying to mention.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So if you go little up, go little up. So there are planning method.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can plan a wave. The next thing is you can plan a wave. If you want to plan it, you can plan a wave.
Okay.
Just click on plan wave. In the bottom, right? You have found, correct? Just click on plan wave. So
Method. I think we need to check in this one.
you don't need to do anything. Is it not allowing?
Not allowed.
Plan wave, new screen will come. Can you close this one here? That is disturbing. Yeah, correct. No. Yeah, just click on plan wave.
No, not allowing.
Didn't allow that. No, yeah, you are in the wave only. You have to select your wave number. No, the left side go plus button. Click on plus button.
Wait.
There is no details, right? How it will happen. Click on the plus button. The waves. No. Yeah, correct. That's the structure. Correct. Click on that. Now it will display.
Yeah.
just click on the plan wave.
Okay. Yeah. Here. Okay.
See,
Backward
here,
plan.
one second.
Yeah.
So the planning method, right? You have availability check. Click on the planning method. No,
Planning method.
correct. Rule based. Select that rule based planning. Okay. Here you have some options here. Let's suppose if you are having enough stock, then it will create auto deliveries on the
Okay.
right side. If you are
Okay.
seeing right, there is two categories here: planning action for lines with inefficient stock, planning action for lines with sufficient stock.
Yes.
Let's
Yes.
suppose if it is a sufficient stock, then what you will do? You are saying the system, you do the allocation and then try to do the just check the box, auto create deliveries.
Yes.
So this is about like in our case we are having the stock, correct?
Yes.
or-
Yes.
Let's suppose the orders which fall under the wave planning are few of the back orders. Let's suppose if back orders are there, what you
Okay.
want to do it, whether you want to consider that or not. If you want to consider that, you can check the back order line. As of now, in our case, it is not there, but if it is
Not.
going to be there, you can check it. That's what I'm
Okay.
trying to say.
Got it. Yeah. Yeah.
You got it right? What
Yes,
we are
yes.
trying to do, we are doing the allocation part here. We are trying to
Yes.
do the allocation part, and whatever the order which doesn't have the quantity, then we are saying like if it is a back order, whether you want to consider it or not. If it is if it is having the stock, sufficient stock, what you want to do, then you want to create the deliveries, correct? That
Yes.
is how you are trying to do it. Then click on plan concurrent. Click on pan concurrent. No. In the
Oh.
bottom here.
Okay. Shall I click on?
Click it. Yes.
Okay. Submitted successfully.
Just go and view requests. Fine.
Wave planning.
Refresh it.
Yeah, refresh.
See, you got these many programs generated. Correct?
That means, yeah, parent programs also will be generated.
Yeah. Yesterday, we forgot about that option rule based, and that's the reason it couldn't able to generate. That wasn't our issue. Okay. Refresh it. Simple. So these many, see, if you see the request, just can you extend it? So the first thing is the system is trying to do the plan wave.
Yes.
57707, the fourth one.
Yes.
The fourth one, the system is trying to do the planning of the wave. So
Correct.
now the system is planning. So it means like whatever the two orders you have with the 4 line, now it is planning. It means like it is doing the allocations. So that is nothing but a planning. Now, if you go to the second one, rule-based planning. So it is based upon the rule-based planning it is working. And can you see the last one? The last one. The last, not this one, go top, the 10th one. WMS post allocation process. It means like the
Yes.
system is trying to do the allocation. Let's just do refresh.
Okay.
Refresh it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Maybe any other things are pending. So that's the reason it is also running them also.
Yes.
Yeah. Close this now. If you want, you can paste that request what is generated for your understanding on the notepad.
Okay. Yeah, that also we need. Okay.
The 07 is fine. The 07 wala. Just take that 07. 707. Correct. So those automatically will run, but this is
Yes.
the key thing. Okay. So yeah. Here you try to enter saying like when we plan wave.
When we try plan view. Okay.
So that you will understand what all the different requests which are coming. Okay.
Yes.
Close this.
We'll go to
Now-
we'll go to check
Let's go
status.
and see. Yeah, let's go close this. Let's go close this again. Again, go back and search the same. Yeah, click on find now. Again, find. Every time, right? You have to go to the plus button and see the wave generated. See what is saying now? Planned. The status is showing as planned. Correct?
Yes, status is planned. Yes, yes.
And if you see the now planned fill rate is 100%. It means like there are no discrepancy. It means like whatever the orders is there, 100% stock is available. That's the reason the system is saying like whatever you have planned is perfect. So now status is become as a plan, and you just note that also like planned fill rate, comma, planned, comma, planned fill rate, planned fill rate. Filled, I'm saying filled.
Okay. I will
So it means like allocation completely done. Fill, planned fill rate.
Okay, got it. Okay. Plan fill rate.
So it means like, see this, what is meant by this percentage? The filled percentage is nothing but to what extent our orders got fulfilled or our orders got planned.
Yeah.
So that is nothing but, let's suppose if you have 3 orders and only 2 orders is been completely done, and for one of the order stock is not there, then then this will be having a variant. Like let's suppose 3 orders, right? Which means 100%, then for which 1 order is not there. It means it will say like 67% is planned.
Yeah. But take on percent is correct. Based on percent, correct.
That is what the percentage. It is a percentage. Okay. And one we have done with the plan. Okay. So that is, this is important. Plan fill rate is important. So
suppose actually if you have 5 orders, we pick only 2 or 3 orders, it will percentage will go to 60% like that, right? 70%. Yes.
Correct. That's how it will be.
Yes.
And if you want to see, just go and click on lines. Okay. See here.
In progress.
You see the next, earlier when you did the wave progress, you got only this one. But now if you see the left side, see plan fill rate, it is 100%. It is touching 100%.
Got it.
Okay. If it is 80% is there, it will show 80%, and the right side it will show the status. Like 80% is done, 20% is pending. So it will show with some yellow color, like let's suppose back order is there, it will show that gap discrepancy. Okay. Or partial these things also it will show. Okay. Click on orders also. Let's see if any. Okay, fine, no problem. See, if you see the planned fill rate, 100% is showing.
Yes.
Okay. The next will be our release fill rate. So as of now, you have just planned. Release is nothing but you have performed the, let's suppose you are initiated a picking process.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now we need to see how a releasing is going to happen.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll see how the release is going to happen.
Okay.
So now for which you have just scroll, come down. See, you have another option called cancel wave. If you want to, like, let's suppose if you don't want to do the allocations, right?
Yes.
During that time, you can click on cancel wave so that the allocation, whatever the so far allocation happened for this order, that will cancel. It means that orders will be still in entered or booked status, but the allocation doesn't happen unless and until we intervene, or maybe next planning is done. During that time, those orders will not be will not have anything. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. So that is all about that. So now you know the next step is you want to release it. So for that you click on release concurrently.
Okay, that means launch pick release, right?
Correct. You are doing during this time the pick selection list generation should happen. Click on release concurrently. Correct. Release now. Perfect. If you want to schedule any time, you can schedule it. Okay. So now let's go and see what our request has been generated. Now, if you go and see, go there, view request and find. Now you will see a release wave. Yes, copy that.
Planning release wave. Yes.
Copy that and paste on your notepad. No, not launch pick release, release online.
Okay.
Once we release the wave you mentioned. Once do releasing wave, release wave. Yeah. Now you just note the status again.
Yeah. Once which status will
when
come.
you try to release it, right? The system has generated pick selection list generation. It means like your picking process has been initiated now.
Yes, same looks like actually when we do the launch pick release, same like the pixel generation, commercial invoice like that will generate here also. Right?
Correct.
Yes.
So this is a little difference. Okay, so it means like now launch pick release program has been kicked off. when you release it. Okay, so you understand the things here. You are
Yes.
creating a wave to set up a criteria. You are trying to generate a number for the wave. Then
Yes.
you are usually at that time it is created. Then you are trying to plan a wave. Then you are trying to release a wave.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes. Yes.
every time it is not important to plan or something or like that. It all depends upon your criteria. Just go and search it again, research it. Go search button again, click on find. Now this time close this and again open it. Fine, fine, fine. Every time this is how you need to come. Okay,
Now plan fill 100%. Status is released. Yes.
correct. So
Status one more. Plan. Here, let's see.
status is released. Ideally it needs to show this one also. Yeah, that's fine.
What?
It needs to show the release fill rate also.
Release fill rate already. Yeah, release fill rate 100%, right? We should be.
It should show 100%. Why it is not happening? Just go to orders.
Less than 50% all.
Go here actually. Order fill summary. If you see here, is the order fill summary. Now this graph came. That is perfect. But the only thing which is worrying, go to view request and find. Let's
Okay.
see.
I
All
think
the things have been done. View.
there also line in progress.
No, no, go view request and find.
No, why you are showing back order totally here?
Let's go to view request. View request and find. Just select our wave planning release.
This one.
Just see the view output or something.
Wave planning release wave. Okay. Output file set 0.
No, no, close this. Click on output.
Output didn't come, I think.
Let's see if any output has been generated.
No, there.
No.
Output 0 is there already showing.
Okay.
Completed with warning, maybe that is issue.
Okay, close this. Go and see our order status, line status.
Yeah. Okay. Shipment order.
No, that's shipment planning rate. That is there. No? Shipment planning and transaction. Go there. Yeah.
With order number
Select your
6648.
482, 481 or 482, whatever. Find. Click on find.
Back order. Are showing back order, right? That is screen totally. That's why 100% back order showing already graph. That's why I'm saying.
Why it got back order? We have the stock, right?
Yeah, we have stock.
Then how come it will get back ordered?
We'll go to move order allocation maybe.
No, 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 no. It is already back ordered here. Why this has been happened? It should not. Okay, close this. It should not happen.
Should not happen
Go
because
to-
actually why back order went?
No, go to the wave dashboard, wave planning setup.
Close here.
Close this. Close this. Yeah, close this. Task release setup. Just reset. Just try to hit Control F11.
W or nothing.
No, 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 no. Don't give anything.
Okay. Okay.
Just
Not
say
there. Nothing.
no, right? Close this. No problem. Close this. Just select the wave planning setup. Yeah. We have done the planning. This is for the planning here. Okay. We are going to set it up as a kind of a planning. You can just give a WMS plan wave.
Wait, I think we need
We are not going to do anything because we already did that criteria. Let us do one thing. Close this. No, here we do.
close.
Refresh. No problem. Just try to run.
Not
Nothing
there.
is there, right? Close this.
Nothing is
Close this. Let's go again to the wave dashboard. One worry is how it got failed. Go to the find wave 86.
But our status
Fine.
showing release, right?
The status is showing as released, but it got backordered. No, why it got? See, it should show the status also. Come, scroll down. Select the plan wave. Select that backorder line as well.
Planning action for
Plan.
lines with insufficient stock. Okay.
Correct. Plan concurrent. Run plan concurrent.
Okay. Here, right? Okay. Allocated method inventory only. Yeah, that is okay.
Okay. Go view request and find.
Reserve stock for order line, maybe this one.
That is not. So if you want, we can check it. That's not a problem. You can go view
Here
request
is
and
showing
find.
planning action for lines with sufficient
What is
stock.
stock?
Maybe.
Sufficient stock, right?
Yeah, sufficient
Let's
stock.
go and view request and find. Okay. We just need to see the release only here. Okay, that is the key step here.
Mhm.
If that is done, everything is done. It's a logic really simple.
Yeah, now complete successfully, but free was also same on.
Close this. Close this. Now let's go and see again. Search our find. Okay. Now just select scroll down. Just click on release concurrently.
Example. Oh, sorry. Request. Find. That is okay. Let's see now. Actually, it should complete. We'll see.
Okay, we need to see what is happening here. We
Oh, still completed with warning here. Should complete with successfully. Why going to warning?
refresh. No problem. Refresh. No problem. Close this. Refresh. No problem. Let us see. Again, same way. No? Close this. Yeah. Go and again search.
Okay.
So
Still
the
back.
same issue. Scroll down, come down, come down. You have something called release, scroll towards right, release lines, yeah.
Release lines, shall I close?
Yeah, yeah, release it, no problem.
Your concurrent
Okay,
wave 8B.
no problem. Click on OK. See, what will happen with this release lines is, it is going to again try to do the releasing.
Okay.
So now at the line level, we have tried at the header level. Now we are trying at the line level. Okay, let's go and view find request.
Okay, now I think we'll see.
Now again, a rerun is going to happen. Okay. See, earlier we tried to do at the header level, but now let us see if even though it will select the line level or okay. So if still also now see, this is nothing but we call it as a rerunning the release. I think some issue is there here. With the system, there is some issue. Okay. Usually has to be happen. But when you have the stock and everything and still it is failing is
Should
nothing
be
but
quick release because stock is there. Maybe that we selected the sub inventory don't have stock.
no. Those all issues will not be there because you are anyhow it's a you are picking sub inventory, right? That doesn't
Yeah.
matter. If you have the stock, close this. Again, try to research it. If it is not happening this time, right, we'll go and perform launch pick release. Okay, click on finish. See, our ideal intention is
No.
same. So nothing has been happened with this. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to launch pick release. See, ideally, I will tell you what is the expectation of here is it
Okay.
has to run the wave, and based upon the wave, the wave planning has two things. One is you are going to you are planning a wave, you are
Yeah.
releasing a wave,
Yeah.
and those orders which fall under your criteria will come, and only those specific orders as per your criteria you can do the planning. That is the
Yes.
beauty of this wave planning. And the
Okay.
second thing is you can plan a wave, you can schedule a wave, and you can once you do this one, right, the allocations will automatically happen. But
Yes.
that is the thing which is not happening in the system. If that is going to happen, it is means like automatically launch pick release going to happen with this. When you click on that release, it means like launch pick release, simple. That is
Yes.
only the close this now. Let's go and
Just
do
can you
our
check here
normal
anything? Can you check any here thing? Maybe here any
nothing
state it
here,
is.
nothing here, nothing here. You don't have
Nothing.
anything here.
Okay.
Yeah, go to your correct. Yeah, go to there. My only expectation was here it should happen. That
Yeah.
was only the
Yeah, correct only, but
66481 to 66482.
yeah.
Yeah, fine. Hmm. Just select all and do launch quick release.
I think will come after time. Now we need to do okay.
Go. So if you, I have given you one link in the email here. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
You just try that. It has to be definitely work. So there is some issue which is stopping this one. But ideally the pixel generation, everything is going to happen. And if you see the request came up, but there is some thing which is stopping in generating it.
Yeah, yeah. See.
So that's the reason in order to, yeah, now you got it, got celebrated,
Now,
right?
yeah.
Close this. Right.
Maybe
Just try to research again. This one, close this. Again, try to do 66481.
yeah. One.
66481 to 482. Yeah,
Oh,
you can select onto the line. Yeah,
yeah,
select
say
the line by line and try to do it.
wait, assign to delivery so that automatically will
Okay.
3782.
So it is first of all not showing right there. Okay.
So that all pick at a time, remind that's it.
So you will assign to delivery and then try to do launch quick release.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, so that at a time we'll pick all one delivery at that's why I'm thinking. Otherwise, create different delivery IDs actually. 3, 7, 8. Okay. So I have to. Okay. Okay. Why, that means we something maybe checkbox or something we miss maybe, right, Santosh? There actually because actually it is going to back order actually. Our is totally correct actually. Process. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Jairam, I'm here.
Yeah, our process is correct only, but
I will see that option,
yeah.
what it is causing. But most of the times, like something is little things are missing. Okay, if that release is successful, na,
Yeah,
it
release
means like
successful. Nothing mistake from our
zero,
side,
two
but
also, two also.
oh, sorry.
Select the two also. You have to do line by line, I think.
Oh yeah. No, should
Just
be
select
actually.
release. Hmm. Just wait a minute, and you can do the rest one also. Wait a minute and do it here. I'll see from my side. Okay, if anything is there, I'll just
Yeah.
try to see. So
No,
whatever the
sure.
processing which we are doing, right? So in place, once you click on that release, it has to generate the pixel report and everything has to be happened. Okay, that is only the thing which we missed out from this one. Other than that, everything is fine. I'll see if any check option or something is been missing out.
Yeah,
I'll do
just
that.
the small, I think maybe a small mistake.
Yeah. That's what. Only the releasing one, because we try to do at the header level, wave level, and we went and tried to do at the line level also. The releasing, right? That you basically you will call it as a re-releasing process. We
Yes.
have performed two things, but still it has not been done. That's okay. It's a system which is used by a lot of people.
Yeah. Nothing. We didn't do any mistakes, Santosh. I think maybe correct only, but I think checkbox or something we missed. That's it. Yeah. Now reached warehouse. Yes.
Yeah, so now you can go ahead and perform the picking process. Go to the warehouse.
Shall we do this one?
Go back F2.
Okay.
Hit F2. Yeah. F2 again. F2. F2. Go to outbound.
Yeah.
Here you have something.
So, sorry. Yeah. My system actually.
Do you have any meeting?
No, I don't have any meeting.
Let be slow, no? Just click on Y. Y.
Yeah.
Just click on that shipping. No, not shipping. You have go back. F2 again. Hit F2.
Warehouse.
Go to task.
Not here.
Directed task.
Outbound.
Outbound. So here you have option called wave picking. Select that option as wave picking.
Yes.
Cancel. Again, select the wave picking.
But wave picking taking that one. No stock, no tasks available.
Oh, maybe the reason we haven't generated the task, that is the reason. It should ideally display. No, yeah, it will not come because with the wave picking, it is not generated, right? We have done it with the manual launch pick release, right? That's the reason it is not showing. Go to the order picking. So usually, if it is generated by the wave picking, it will go and it will come here. Just go to order picking. Yeah.
No tasks available. What is it?
Picking should happen. No, yeah. Why this system cluster pick? Click F2.
Warehousing, we'll see.
Not warehousing. Not warehousing. Not warehousing. Picking, right? We are picking. Click on the interleave task. Yeah, accept any task.
No tasks available.
Okay. Go back. Again, go back. Yeah. Task like it should allow
We'll see. Maybe change our.
W1. Select W1.
Okay.
Outbound it only have shipping. Okay. You can go directly and do the shipping here. Okay.
Direct ship.
F2. Hit F2. That is only the place. Hit F2.
Outbound.
F2. Go to the task. And here also we don't have the task generated, right? Directed task. Outbound. Order picking.
No tasks.
Okay, let's go to our waving here. Go to the wave planning. It's not happening.
Okay.
The wave dashboard. Yeah. Go to find wave. Yeah, center 86. Yeah. Yeah, you can go here and select as cancel wave.
Cancel your.
Hmm.
Launch picker is done, right? Now also we can cancel.
You have not done the picking process, right, yet. Also, we have been mentioned. What is the issue with stopping this?
All the selected mod lines are back ordered. Okay.
Okay. Okay, it got cancelled. Okay. Again, go back. Yeah, close this. Close this. No. Go to dashboard. Close this again. Go to the create wave. Just search our wave. Search our wave.
Wave number. Okay. $85, right?
No, not 85. Don't give it. Okay. Okay. Just search based on WM something like that.
This one.
This is ours, right?
Yeah, 85.
Go to the ordering criteria. Advanced criteria. This is okay. Go to wave options. Go to wave options.
Maybe
Select the plant.
Yeah, sorry. Tell me.
No, release sequence rule. Do we have any other thing?
We have a release sequence rule is there, right? WMS created.
Let us select your release sequence rule, whatever you created.
This one. Ours only, right? But the
So
staging
just
sub-inventory STA, correct? Or I think different, right? STA only.
that is okay. That is not a problem here. See, staging sub inventory will come after picking process, right? That is not a problem. Close, cancel it. It's the staging sub inventory only. That is right. Okay, allocation method is from inventory. That is also perfect. No, don't give any pick sub inventory or something.
Plan tasks, no.
Select yes. Let's see. Select as yes. Plan task as yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Full
Launch concurrently.
replenishment is there.
Launch concurrently.
Plan wave, I think here. Need to.
Select the plan wave.
Yeah.
Release wave.
Because planning criteria. Oh,
We have not defined any planning criteria, right? So you can run from here also. Release wave. Select release wave. Launch concurrently.
87 on. Okay.
87. No?
10
Okay.
on block restrictions.
Okay. Yeah, I think because already the orders are already
Backorder, right? Yeah. Vaccine, your company only sponsored, Santosh?
yeah.
Completely.
Let's go and see here.
Okay.
Go to wave dashboard. Find wave. 87.
87 is there.
Find. Select the wave on the left side. Yeah.
87.
Wonderful.
What?
Succeeded. See, now the release fill rate, it is 100.
Automatically.
No. This thing, release fill rate is my key thing actually.
Oh, correct.
Okay.
Previously 0, right?
Sorry. Earlier it was 0.
0.
Okay. Now if you go to your order, just select your order and see. Now close this. Close this. Go to your order management.
Oh, sorry.
Close this. Go to your order management. Search there.
Okay.
Search 2 orders. 66481 482.
Oh, released to warehouse now. Yes.
Got it right? So
yes.
This is what I am expecting actually.
But previously, earlier what we did.
That is the problem.
Yeah.
So now you can go ahead and do the picking process.
Yeah.
Go there now to RF. No. Go to wave planning. Click on the wave planning.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Can you go to the warehouse control board? No. When you go to the warehouse control board, WMS, the 7th option on the right side. 7th option on the right side. Yeah. Can you select the outbound here? Select the outbound.
Outbound means
outbound here. No. Source
sorry.
here.
Got it. Here.
Unreleased and pending. Select unreleased pending. Click on find. If you want to, okay, that's fine, no problem. See, if you see here, right, leave the first 2, no problem. Can again close this.
Close.
Wait. See, if you see the last 4 hours, select the first one, the second one, third one. Go to manage. Here you try to give status as queued. Status, come down. Status, queued. Queued. Okay. Just enter here pat. PAT. No. That's no. Stock. Just give percentage to on the both sides. Percentage on both sides. PAT. Percentage, PAT, percentage. Select the second one, third one. Yeah, correct. Copy this. Copy that. Keep it. Okay. Just keep it on notepad.
Fine.
Yeah, override. Just select that option. Override. Yeah. Save action.
Okay, saved.
Saved up.
Yeah, saved.
Why you went there again? Yeah.
Saved.
Saved, right? One second. Saved, right?
Yeah, saved.
Execute now.
Task
Okay.
updated.
This is updated. Yeah, go ahead and do for the same. All the 3 in the line. No. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It says queued. Paste it. Override checkbox. Save. Execute now.
Oh. Why each and every line here, Santosh?
You can select. You are trying to assign. This is a job of the manager. Okay. Basically, he will give the for the person who is going to do the process, right?
Yeah.
He will give those all things to him. So it all depends. So he is trying to kickstart the process. So picking is there. So he is going to assign to the specific user, saying like, "Hey guy, go and perform this picking," and he has a. See, now it is being queued. It means like it is on the process. Okay.
Yes.
Save it. Just save it. Save.
Yeah.
Close this. Okay. So now this will come in your RF now. Go ahead to your RF device. Yeah. F2. Hit F2.
Order picking only, right?
No. Give F2. Yes. Why?
Yeah.
Why? Go to wave picking.
Okay, now
This is what I am expecting. Okay.
Yes.
Now you can confirm it. W1 underscore sub 1. You can confirm you are loading, you are picking it. Okay. You are trying to confirm it. Sub 1. No. Just give as it is in the top here.
Okay. LPN.
You can generate a new LPN if you want, no problem.
No problem. Okay.
Yeah, hit Control G.
No,
yeah. What you are trying to do?
No, Control G is not coming. Control G for new LPN, right?
It is not coming up.
Not coming.
Okay, just it is for the wave 1, right? LPN, right? Go ahead and do the LPN, no problem. Can you maximize it? Can you maximize it?
This one?
Not this one. RF. Now hit Control G.
No.
Okay, not working. Okay, just give the LPN.
Why we can
The LPN, the first LPN you give it. First LPN. It's the second LPN, I think. You have to give the first LPN. Yeah. Enter.
Yeah, you can enter only.
Okay, confirm. Confirm is nothing but you are trying to confirm your item. Wave 1 underscore 1. Enter. Confirm the quantity now. 3.
3. Yes.
Okay. Enter your reference LPN also there. Copy paste the LPN. Same LPN. Enter. Okay. Just try to hit Control G.
No. Oh.
Enter.
Okay. New LPN created.
Enter. Enter. Load. Okay. Again, go and click on the wave planning again. Okay. It is only one line you have been picked. Now you are going to click the second one. Okay. Sub 1. Enter. Just copy paste your LPN over there. See, now you got the search button, no?
No, didn't come search button here. For confirmation.
Yeah, confirm it. Underscore 1. Go and confirm your LPN. No, not confirm. Quantity. Confirm quantity. Enter. Just Control G.
But actually, we are giving this LPN here, but taking different this one. But
not different one. You are giving a reference as a second LPN. Like that is a inbound LPN. During outbound transaction, you are trying to create another LPN. Okay. Enter. Load. See, there are 2 ways it will be there. Again, click on wave picking. Okay, W1, sub 1.
But at the time,
I'll tell you after completing this transaction. Just try to scan the first one here. Okay, that is not the right value. 1621. The LPN is not a right value.
That one only, right?
That's fine. Enter any LPN. 12B, 162B. B. Just give B.
3. Yeah.
162B. 162B.
2B.
B. B for bat. Enter.
No.
Enter.
No, didn't take actually. No, this is requested 3 quantity means different order. This one, I think that one completed. That 2 is completed.
Those 2 are completed. Can you go and see the order status? Go to our shipment and transaction here.
662 we have, right? Second order, I think. We'll see.
66461. 481, 81, I think. 81. 81. 481.
482, I think. Wait.
81 and 82.
2 quantity is
81 and 82. That's fine. 81 and 82.
no. Not right.
No, as of now, it is not picked, right? Like, okay, let's go here. Why this issue of
wait, we'll give second LPN, we'll see. Now taking. That means the first 2 is completed.
You have taken a different way. Yeah. Okay. Okay. WMS. Got it. So it has came in such a way like 1324. I think the sequence, the way it came is different. Enter. Again, hit enter. Now confirm the quantity 3. Enter. Hit Control G. Enter. Load. Again, go to the
wave picking task completed.
Go to the wave picking. No. Go to the wave picking. This is the final one.
Yeah, okay. Now 2. Okay. That means this one is this is correct.
Correct. The first LPN we need to give it. R.
Not taking no issues.
Okay. Confirm the to quantity. Yeah, control G. Enter. Load. Okay. Again, if you go and see it, you will not find anything because all your orders has been done with the wave picking. Correct. 2 orders are there. The 4 lines it got completed. Now
Yeah.
let's go there.
Where
Now let's go to our UI front end. Again, try to research. Don't.
Oh, this one only, right?
Yeah. Why to close it? Just again try to hit on that torch button and you can research it, right?
Yeah. Released to warehouse.
It is released to delivery only. Why it will be released to delivery? You need to perform load option now. Close this. Go back. Yeah, interleave task.
Okay.
Accept any task. Just see. Enter on it. Accept any task.
No task.
Okay, fine. Hit F2. F2. Directed move. Go to directed move. Go to yeah. Move any LPN. Click on search.
Search means many will come, I think, right?
Yes, search. Fine, no problem. Just go to the next. Ours is 160 change, right? Okay. Select anyone. No problem. Select anyone. Just see our. Click on OK. Select that. Wait. Now you try to modify it. LPN 00165. Something is there, right? Just go as per our pattern. I think it is coming in second page. Go to Notepad. LPN 016. Enter that. LPN 016 and click on search. Click on search. Now we will get our LPNs which got. What's happening? Select that. Select that. Drop.
No tasks available. Okay, already drop. Okay, one more is there, right? We'll see.
Now you just 16. Just again give 16.
It will come.
Hit cancel. Hit cancel. Oh, 1 second, yeah. Can you go and can you go to this warehouse control board? Close this. Just select the outbound. Select outbound. Select all the statuses. Pending, active, not completed, not completed, not completed. Other than complete, select all. Let's see what happened to our task. Just click on find. See, it got loaded now. So it means like it is already loaded. Okay, close this. Now you have to go to RF. It is already loaded. Cancel it. Drop loaded LPNs. Click on second transaction. Click on the find.
Sometime.
Select that. Yeah. Let's go and see our 160. This one, right? 167, 160.
No, not ours. This one.
It's not ours, huh? Just we have created ours only.
150 163A.
Select 150, 160, 165A. That will be ours only.
Okay, that now automatically will reference, right? That
we have loaded. Now we are going to drop it. So that's the reason we have selected the transaction. Select that. Drop. Wait. You confirm your staging. STA. Give location. Just click on drop LPN. Just give the same LPN. Same LPN.
LPN 1658. Okay, done. The drop cannot be the same as LPN.
Okay, fine. Hit control.
Maybe we
Remove
can
that.
select from here. We'll see.
No, no, no. Hit control G.
Control G. Okay.
Done.
Oh. Okay. Reference will come. Generate again one more LPN.
Again, search it.
This one.
166. That's fine. 166. Okay, fine. Go ahead.
This
Select.
one only.
Double click.
Hello.
Yeah, double click. Drop. Confirm. So it means like you are loading everything because you have select that L11. You just try to enter. No? So you are loading multiple LPN into one. Okay, 169 is our final LPN. Click on done.
Yeah, and no, now we will see. Actually, second again, one more LPN didn't generate automatically. Will
It's not generated. It is our earlier LPN.
Yes. Okay.
Completed.
And one more is there, right? This one. Two quantity. One more is there. Yeah. .1. Okay. Yeah, completed. This
Now
one.
you go and check your order management, order status, shipment planning and transaction.
66481, right? Yeah. 66481, 66482.
It will be now stage pick confirm like that way.
Yes,
Correct?
yes,
It
got it.
Go to delivery.
Yes.
Go to delivery.
Delivery. Okay. One delivery will create now. One delivery, this one. Yes.
Go to ship confirm. This ship confirm. You have that option, no? Ship confirm button.
Oh, yeah.
Click on that.
Ship all entered quantities. Yeah.
Done. Okay. Okay.
There is a ship confirm have error and warnings.
Yeah, the transportation on that day, if you remember, right? As Rajiv was saying, click on OK.
No, if you okay, didn't will go that one. Okay. I think bill of lading. Wait.
Yeah, you have not done. Yeah, click on OK.
We'll see. Now we'll go.
Okay.
No, it didn't come.
That's
right?
it. Just go and see your lines now. It will get automatically shipped.
No. Run interface will go this one. That means we need interface shift off.
That's okay. It's not our big thing, right? Like now shipping
Yeah.
is bit, so it is automatically run interface shift.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay.
this is now end-to-end process of our this will happen here. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So let us try to do the RMA also with this new order, right? Let's see
Yeah.
what happens. Okay, close this. So with this, our wave planning, end-to-end wave planning, how it is going to work, and it will happen in the system. We have seen it. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's go RF. Go to let's go and create written order.
Yeah.
Go to order management. We have yesterday also there was some failing, right? Go to order management. Yeah. Just search your order 46481. 66481.
Give me 1 minute, Sandra. Hello. Santosh, hello.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
481. 66481.
Yes.
Go to actions.
We'll go.
Copy.
Change order type, return, right?
Return only. You will have reason to enter damaged.